Today for our math lesson, we're going to be adding a new coin into our knowledge. Yesterday we practiced with pennies and dimes, which are right here. And today we're going to be adding in nickels. So let's do a quick review of pennies and dimes first. Here we have our two coins. This, of course, is our dime. It is worth 10 cents, and when we draw it like this. Here we have a penny. It is worth 1 cent, and when we draw it just like that. Let's practice with 56 cents. We're going to use dimes and pennies. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Just like we practiced yesterday. I start with my tens and then I go to my ones. I always start with the bigger coin. And I organize my coins together. I put all of the dimes together and all of the pennies together. This makes it easier for me to read, and it makes it easier for me to organize all of my awesome work. Let's try one more. 83 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. So I did have to organize my dimes, but I did not need to organize my pennies because there was only 3 of them. Oh, here's another review. Do you remember how to do the dollar? We make a dollar by using a rectangle. And then we need 24 cents. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Nice job, second grade. That is a good review. Yesterday we did dimes and pennies, and we also talked a little bit about dollars. But today we are going to be adding in this new coin. This new coin, like we said before, is called a nickel. Do you know how much a nickel is worth? We know that a dime is worth 10 cents. A penny is worth 1 cent. But a nickel is worth 5 cents. Do you know how to count by fives? Can you count by fives with me up to, let's say, 50? Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's keep going up to 100. Let's start at 50. 50. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, or $1 when we're talking about money. So nickels are worth 5 cents, and we write them just like our other coins, with a circle, but we put a 5 in the middle of this one. Let's practice a few exercises with adding up coins. Now, there's a few things to notice here. At the top, it tells us how much our coins are worth. These are all nickels because they are all worth 5 cents. But if you're ever not sure, you can always look up top to see what the coin is. Now, at the bottom, this is where we're going to keep on adding. So the first nickel gave us 5 cents. But then I got 5 more. So we went 5, 10. Then we got 5 more, 15, 5 more, 20, and 5 more, 25. So this number at the bottom should keep getting bigger, even though the top numbers stay the same. And the last step is to write the total amount of money. Do you remember how many cents it takes to get $1? It takes 100 cents. Is 25 cents the same as 100 cents? No, it's not. That means we have $0, but we have 25 cents. So we can write it both ways. 25 cents or $0 and 25 cents. Let's try another. Now here, if you look at the top, we have 3 nickels, but then we switch over to pennies. So let's first start counting by 5s. Ready? 1 nickel is 5 cents. Then I get 5 more. 10 cents, and then I get 5 more. 15 cents. So that's good. It's easy to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. But now I need to make a switch. Now I only need to add 1 more, not 5 more. So I was at 15, and I need to add 1. What's 15 plus 1 more? 16. And then I need to add 1 more on. What's 16 plus 1 more? 17. Is 17 $1, 17 cents? No, it's $0, 17 cents. Very good. Let's practice one more together. Oh, goodness, look at these coins. I see dimes, a nickel, and 2 pennies. So we're going to need to make a few switches. Let's start with our dimes. First, we start with 10 cents. That's how much 1 dime is worth. Now I need to add on another 10 cents. What's 10 plus 10 give me? 20 cents. Now we need to add on 5. What's 20 plus 5 more? 25 cents. Now we just add 1 more. 25 plus 1? 26. Plus 1 more? 27. So I have 27 cents. Does that give me $1? No, it does not. I need 100 cents, and 27 cents is not close to 100. So be very careful as you practice your coins today. Make sure you're looking at what coin you're adding, and keep practicing adding dimes, nickels, and pennies. It's going to take practice to get used to them.